replacing it because on the front disc, this is what happened. Completely came apart, had some vibration real bad. I pulled over. It didn't want to mess up the transmission or slip yoke or the teeth or anything, or something else worse, or it completely just fall off or something, because I wasn't sure if the bolts had sheared or something, but it turns out it was just the disc itself that came apart. So that's that. I ordered 2 new ones from driveshaft, polyurethane, so we'll see how that goes. And instead of just replacing one with polyurethane, replacing both. The rear one seems okay, so, but I'll keep that one as a spare in the future for, you know, for emergencies type of thing. But it's just the front one that really took a dump on it. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'll post another video up later. Those were real easy to take out. I just had to unbolt the 2 bolts that hold the center support to the body. And then from there, just unbolted the 3 in the back that tied into the differential, slid the whole shaft forward, dropped the back down, and then just pulled it out through the rear. It took some finessing to work this through the, I guess, through the hanger brackets for the exhaust system, because my exhaust is still on there. And then some finessing in the front right here too. The rubber kind of got in the way a little bit. But nonetheless, I was able to take it out. I did all this by myself, just using some standard tools, some jack stands, and a jack. So this is being done right here outside on the floor. All right, I'll post up another video later on the install when those parts come in, and so you guys can check it out. So far it's been a pretty straightforward install. I've been doing it all by myself. I unhung the 6 exhaust hangers, 2 in the center, and then those 2 on each side, the driver and passenger side, supported the exhaust with the stands. Slid it in, super lightweight, so it's not heavy at all. The only other modification I did was on the top. They said to grind these down, the exhaust bolts. So I did those just a hair. It shows that it has enough clearance, but I just did it based on their recommendation as well. So both of those seatbelt bolts, I guess, there's one on each side on the top. But the rest of it was pretty straightforward. It's rated to 1,000 horse, sonnax, direct flange, and yoke. So far I've been real happy with the quality of the welds of the product, and can't wait to try it out at the track. There you go.